If you are running into the frustrating Illustrator PNG export error, you are not alone. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to troubleshoot and fix these crashes, freezes, and failed renders. Whether it is a pixel limit issue or a stray path causing havoc, we are going to fix it step by step. If this guide helps you get back to work, please hit that like button and subscribe for more professional design tips. Let us get into the first fix. The most common culprit is hitting the internal pixel limit. Adobe Illustrator has a hard cap of 16,383 pixels. If your artboard is massive and you are exporting at 300 ppi, you are likely crashing the app. To fix this, go to your PNG options and lower the setting to 72 or 150 ppi. If you absolutely need high resolution, you should scale your artwork down before you start the export process. If that still fails, try skipping the typical Export As menu. Instead, go to File, then Export, and select Export for Screens. This engine is built differently and often avoids the bugs that haunt the standard export tool. If that doesn't solve it, your file might have corrupted objects. Stray points and empty text paths are invisible killers. Go to Object, then Path, and select Clean Up. Remove everything in that list and click OK. Also, if you have complex effects like inner glow or custom pattern fills, select them and go to Object, then Expand Appearance. This flattens those complex math calculations into basic shapes for the rasterizer. For extremely stubborn files, simply select all your artwork, go to Object, and click Rasterize. This turns everything into a single image layer before you attempt your final output. Finally, look at your file path. If you are saving to a cloud folder like OneDrive, Dropbox, or a network drive, pause the sync. It's much safer to export directly to your desktop. Also, ensure your file name has no special characters like slashes or ampersands, which can confuse the export system. If you have an aggressive antivirus, it might be blocking Illustrator from writing new files, so double-check your settings there. By following these steps, you should be able to bypass any export errors immediately. If this video helped you save your project today, please take a second to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.